to my phone quite frequently, this is a must-have. Hello guys, my name is Larry and welcome to the 956 studio. Hey, today we're going to do a little unboxing and check out this new product the company sent to me. This is a sponsored video, so we're going to give you an honest opinion of this Solarpowerbank, which is 36,000 mAh. Now, also, if at the end of the video, if you're interested in it, we'll put some links down in the description where you can buy it at. This is the box you'll see that it'll come in, and it's very well packaged. I've already cut that loose. Good small AAA. Now let's open it up and see what we got. Now the video is probably going to be upside down most of the time. Well, it's got a little PNW22 on this paperwork that's in it. There we go. And the operator's product details and product parameters. Now let's I'll bring that out so you can see it a little closer. Flip that upside down where you can see it. All right, it comes wrapped up pretty nice here. Carabiner, clip, and of course cable. Wrapped up in some pretty neat little old packaging here. First impression is it's pretty heavy, which tells me they've got a pretty good sized battery in it. This side here, put in the sun, and it charges up. Keep it charged. On the end, it's got a flashlight. Now, as you've seen, and this is where it's a charging dock for your phone. And of course, you got some really nice cables for different phones. I like how they store, you're able to store these away. Now, I'm not sure what that plug is for. I've never had to use that one. Must be a different type of phone. And let's see what we got down here. Oh wow, check it out. A couple more areas where you can plug in stuff. And a flashlight. Give you all around of it. Kind of like that phone charging area. Just set it on there like a desktop charger. Lighting output DC 5 volts at 1 amp. USB-C /USB output. DC 5 volt 3 amps. Micro USB output. DC 5 volts 2 amps. Lighting input. DC 5 volt 2 amps. USB-A /USB-C input. DC 5 volts /3 amps. Wireless output standard 5 watts. Solar charging input 5 volts /0.3 amps max. It weighs approximately 15.4 ounces, and the color is orange in this one. All right, back to I was showing you these, but I didn't explain them earlier. Now what you got here is you got a Type-C USB cable. You've got a micro USB cable. You've got a USB input cable, and then you've got a lightning output cable. So you got 4 different cables here, and they've kind of fold away, and you can store these right back in these little slots here to keep them from dangling around all over the place. And actually, they're not that hard to put in. I guess they want them to lock in kind of tight so that they don't flop around when you're using them, like so. Now we also have a flashlight, and hey, I'm a big fan of this flashlight. I like it a lot. Now here is your on and off button, power button. So let's hold the button down and let's see if it lights up. Voila! Now that is pretty dead burn bright. Now here in the office I could shine it and it reaches out there a good 20 feet or further. So yeah, the flashlight is really cool. It's got 2 different bulbs in it, and they look like they're LEDs, so hey, kudos to that. Now to turn it back off, we just hold this button down and they turn off. Again, this is your solar panel. This charges it. And they do not recommend putting this on concrete or anything wet when you are charging it. Now, it also has a charge indicator right here. And if you see that, this has barely got any charge in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on charge for about 10-15 minutes, see how far it comes up, and then we'll continue making the video so that you can see actually how the cell phone charger part of it works. So stick around, we're almost done. Okay, now I've charged it up a little bit more. Okay, see how hit over there, it's telling me it's charging. So works on my phone even with the case on it. I imagine it would work better if I didn't have this old plastic case on it. So yeah, the phone dock or charging area right here works very well. So that's a plus for it. Now you can see here that I've got it lit up pretty good. 20 minutes of charge, it filled it up. Now I don't know if that's 100%. I wish it had, like, say, a percentage up there. It was 60, 70, 80, 90, or 100%. But you got 4 dots there telling you that you're pretty much charged up. And I know when you have it plugged in to a power supply, you'll see a light lit up right here. It lights up. Now I want to try the flashlight again. I'm intrigued by this flashlight. It's super bright. There we go. Again, hold the button down, it comes on. Hold the button down for a short period of time and it turns off. Well guys, let me go over the size of it. I don't think we went over the size of it. All right, the size of it is approximately 6 3/4 inches long, and it is 3.5 inches wide. And in depth, it is little over, just a fraction over 1 inch. So yes, it is a little on the larger size, but compare apples to apples. For what you pay for one of these on Amazon, and like I said, I'll put a link down in the description below where this one came from and where you can buy it. They're well worth it. Now I was at a campaign rally last night and my phone went dead, and I had this in my back pocket. I could have been charging it the whole time and wouldn't have missed any footage. Now something else I'm going to go over again that I probably didn't cover very well at the beginning was what you see in the end down here. Now you've got, I just told you that it was 3 ports. Now what you're going to have is, you're going to have a solar charging indicator right here. You're going to have a LED battery indicator right here. You're going to have a lightning input port. And then you're going to have a Type-C input and output port right here. And that's your USB output port as well, right under. So guys, I think it pretty much described this. Now you got a little cover that goes back in place here that pops in to secure that area. And it goes back in place fairly easily. Like I said, a very nice screen, flashlight, phone charger, ports on this end, all the other cables here. Well guys, that's my opinion and my review of this. I really like it. I wish I'd have bought one a long time ago. Like I said last night, it would have got me out of a hell of a bind. And if you're out there in the woods, back 40 or wherever you might be, or on a tractor or someplace, and you don't have any, you know, you got reception, but you just don't have any phone charge, this will be the ideal thing, man, to put in your back pocket and plug it into your phone. Use it, charge it up, get you out of a bind. Camping, hiking, this is it. This is what you need, guys. Well, I thought I'd get you a little extra shot here. Now, you see I've got this plugged in to my phone, and you see right there it's charging. So, you know, if you got this thing charged up, it won't take long to really charge your phone up. Again, one nifty little old nifty little old thing right here you need. Man, keep this in your truck, keep it in your backpack, wherever you need to go. If you got a battery that goes dead on your phone quite frequently, this is a must-have, and it's so convenient. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.